What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your boy, Superhuman Hex. About to bring y'all an unboxing for the ever-expanding market of truly wireless buds. Check it out. These are probably a brand you've never heard of, the One More active noise canceling buds. I did not hear about this brand until I actually started researching this. The reason I did that is because I normally wear the neckband. The neckband is not ideal for like a gym setting. You could be doing your abs, if you go up and down or whatever, it's just gonna fly off. So I looked into getting some buds. My phone is a TCL, so I was just like, all right, I'll just get the TCL buds. They have something that was like truly wireless. They're called the Active line. You know, they got the water resistance, the sweat proof, the whole nine. I got them. I even shot like a video or whatever. It went south, baby, just like it's all about the Benjamins. I got a little bit of fresh stuff that I gotta hit with y'all today. I tested out the buds and they just weren't really the quality that I was looking for. You know what I'm saying? When I'm in the gym, I need that type of punch, that type of bass that you can like swim in. I need that high. It can't be like paper thin. The mids was good, but I didn't save no money. I sent them back. I spent a lot of more money on these, and they're probably gonna be worth the price. You know what I'm saying? You get what you pay for. There's a lot of good reviews on it. You can go check those out. I'll probably shoot my own review later. They are mad confident in this packaging right here, okay? This is a big box for a pair of buds, yo. Like, if you look at Galaxy buds, if you look at AirPods, they come in boxes like this. This arrived on my doorstep. I thought there was a phone in here. Here's another reason why I'm so impressed with this, right? They got that confidence that they just wrapped this in like some gray cellophane. It was not like a box within a box within a box within a box. You feel me? This was just like this on my doorstep wrapped in cellophane, but I can kind of not hear a whole lot of shake, so it's probably well protected in there. So I'm gonna open it up for y'all and we're gonna get it started, all right? Let's get it popping. All right, so going through another layer of cellophane. I'll make the little click. See, we got aptX. If your phone has that same chipset in it, that means that it's gonna be nice and compatible with it. It's gonna like sync real well. The sound's gonna pop a little better. This little metal part, I'm just gonna assume is a magnet. Yep, nice little click right there. Just flap it open. Some drawings, a little bit of schematic. 1-inch dynamic driver plus 1 balanced amateur acoustic design with direct drive BA technology. I don't even know what that means. Proximity sensor direction, don't know. 15 minutes fast charge enables 2 hours of use. Now that's what I'm talking about, because yo, I'll be getting it in about 2 hours. This is Christmas. Here's the charge case. If I can just get it out of there. Ooh. This right here is like solid aluminum or something. It's nice and cold. It's beautiful on the inside. Check that out if you can see that. That looks good. So here are the buds. They have this cool, this look to them, like it's, you know, like it's graphite or carbon fiber or something. Nice premium feel. I love the black and red, of course. So buds, a buds unboxing is pretty simple. When I did the last video with the TCLs, it was charger and buds. So there we have it. We got the buds, the charger, but this is a big box. Like, I thought that there would be some more in here. Let's see if there's more. A lot to uncover. Yeah, they was confident. This whole thing is like made of like a real thick, nice foam. And just set that to the side. Okay, we got some other things. Yep, it was nice and hefty. Look at that. Bang. Couple of little sticker. And we got like a QR code. I'll probably scan that with my phone a little later, see what that's about. And then I'll include whatever it's about on my review. Last little box that's inside. Okay, so we got tips. Ooh, look at that. There's something in here too. So that you know, it's got like the same pattern on it. It feels good, some kind of nylon or something. This is good. This is always right to be included because this is a good look right here. This is a nice touch. If I'm going to the gym, you know, you're supposed to bring this charger with you. You always put them in there, it keeps it charged. But if you don't always just want to bring this thing, you just want the buds, bong. Or if you don't want this to get all scratched up, right? It is aluminum. You put it in the case, you looking good, you flexing, right? That's way better than what AirPods is gonna do for you. And there you go, you got the cable. Let me see these tips. 4 tips in here. So we got some big and some small tips. They include a lot of tips. This, I don't know what these are. They're from the silhouette inside this little packaging. Hard to tell. Okay. There's a right and a left special tip. I'm gonna figure out what those mean, like what they do for you. Obviously one means left and one means right. Let's see what this is. These are like the bigger tips with the little ear hook. There's a left one and a right one, and then a small left and right. They're really covering all the bases here. All right, they're covering all the bases here. I've never seen so many tips. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 different options to get this guy to fit inside your ear. 18 tips is really 9 different options. So I got 9 different options to see how comfortable these are. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, hit the Instagram, and I'll keep y'all guys updated. Soon to be a review for the One More Truly Wireless Buds Active Noise Canceling, y'all. Active Noise Canceling. Hex out.